Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we got the KYRIE 6s in the N7 colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Part of the N7 Summer 2020 collection is a special KYRIE 6 N7 that reflects Kyrie Irving's personal journey and recognition to his indigenous roots. A star representing his community is inspired by the long history of Lakota quilt design, and the mountain stands for his Lakota name, Hela, a little mountain. Symbols of strength Kyrie carries with him on and off the court. This offering of the Nike 6 sports a light cream base with crimson, pink, and teal contrasting accents. The N7 logo appears on the left tongue, while an embroidered eye graphic on the medial midfoot panel completes the design. The Nike KYRIE 6 N7 released on June 21st for $130 US. You can still get this shoe for around retail. I actually think it might still be on Nike, so if you are interested in this sneaker, definitely check Nike, check StockX, go look around. You should be able to find it around retail and possibly under retail, so you really can't go wrong with a pair of Kyrie Irvings. They're some of the best performance shoes. I'd honestly have to say they are the best current basketball player signature shoe in the game today. They really just beat all the other models. You got a big name behind it. Kyrie Irving's a great player. They retail at $130. The performance is on point and they look good. Like, I really like LeBron James and I like his shoes, but man, they're just not coming close to Kyrie Irving's just because the price difference. You know, LeBron's are up at 200, even 250 sometimes, and I really just don't like the newer models of LeBron's, whereas Kyrie models just seem to get better and better. So before we get into the shoes, I'll just show you guys the box real quick. It is a pretty interesting Nike box. Arcade graphic Nike logos going over the box. Pretty cool, something different. A lot of like neon colors. Then you got that same design on the inside of the box. This one came with regular white wrapping paper. So nothing too special, but pretty cool box. Now let's get into the shoes. These things are straight fire. The KYRIE 6 N7, like I said, they are representing his indigenous background, which is very dope. Now the KYRIE 6 model is influenced by the Nike Yeezy 2, one of the best sneakers, if not the best. The Red October is my ultimate grail. Like, I gotta have that shoe one day, and I love that they took this KYRIE shoe and, you know, took some pieces from that iconic sneaker and threw it on here. As you guys can see, the little like back part of the shoe looks a lot like it, whereas the heel section kind of has the little sticking out with the design in the back. Pretty similar all the way around. Even the strap represents that Yeezy. Now, I've reviewed a lot of KYRIEs on this channel. I've reviewed a few pairs of 6s, and the performance is definitely good with pretty much all KYRIE. So if you're looking to ball in this shoe, really you can't go wrong. These do run true to size. If you have a really wide foot, you might want to go up half a size just to play it safe. That way your feet aren't hurting when you're playing ball. Obviously, you're gonna have to break them in a little bit. That's just the way it is with all basketball shoes. But as far as this model, it's not as bad as some other basketball shoes. Now, this colorway right here, the N7 version, which again is representing the indigenous backgrounds of Kyrie Irving. You guys can see the symbols up here. You got like a star, an eye, a mountain, which I'm pretty sure the mountain is like Kyrie's nickname or his name. I'm not 100% sure, but apparently it's Hela, I want to say. Hela, I don't know how to pronounce it, so forgive me. But either way, it means little mountain, which is pretty cool. You guys can see on the inside of the shoe where it does say, to the standards of Hela, which again means little mountain. Now while we're on the inside of the shoe, take a look at the embroidery of this little eye design. That thing is super dope. It comes in this neon pink, kind of has an orange tint to it, but the color is very dope. I do like the full tan upper on this shoe. A lot of nubuck like on the strap and the back part of the shoe, which is very nice quality. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like I said, you got a lot of embroidery going on, which just makes for a higher luxury feel. Then you do have the neon hints running along the shoe, which I think give a nice touch. You got some neon like green up here, orange, as well as those symbols I talked about earlier, the Nike logo. Up on the tongue, you do have the Nike logo with an N7. There you guys can see that. The waves and the eye on the heel section. I've made jokes about it being an all-seeing eye in the past. Not many people like that. It's just a joke. I was saying it's Illuminati. It's a joke, all right? But yeah, you got the eye symbols pretty much all over the place. I know Kyrie's got it tatted on him. Tan on the lining, a green insole that does have the eye logo. You got a tan midsole. On the outsole, you have some of the tan, this like peach color, green, the KYRIE logo. It does say Zoom Air because there is Zoom technology in this outsole. And you also have Elizabeth and the date of birth. That's his mother. And then you got the little star design. I can't remember what these are called. Forgive me, my mind's just blank right now. Oh, it's really bugging me. I can't remember what these are called. But yeah, either way, you guys already know. A bunch of different stuff going on, little symbols, extras all over the place. You guys can see little mountain designs up here. Like, they really kill it with the KYRIE model. They throw a lot of extras. There's a lot of meaning behind it. Again, a great price, great style from a great basketball player, great performance, all that stuff. You cannot go wrong with a pair of KYRIE 6s. Like, I'm telling you right now. This is a great colorway. I think it's perfect for the summertime. You step outside, it's just gonna be popping. It's kind of a light color, but does have those bright neons. So, you know, you already know you're gonna be breaking some necks. And on the court, you know, you can't go wrong. With that being said, let's look at these on feet.
No matter where I move to, I deal with all the same things. My homies so hard-headed, some of them like the gang bang. But that's just how it is, we all gotta maintain. See the dead or in jail, and that's the goddamn shame, little bitch. Ayy, I'm so chill, dog, I be cold. Ayy, my heart is so buffalo. Okay, the east side is where I belong. I'll sing this song while y'all sing. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Nigga, dumb nigga. I ain't never ran from none, nigga. I ain't about to choose a day to have a run with you. Tough on the phone in the comfort in your home. Let me see you face to face. Done. Got no choice, shit, I gotta do it. I see the opportunities, I'm an opportunist. Yeah, women skinny dipping like they all know this. Any y'all come straight from money like they family Jewish. I don't gotta beg for me to get it, I only want it if I get permission. That's what you call consent. I slide in the whip and it's tinted. Every floor I gotta own, it's not rented. By the no limit. They ain't give a fucking how I feel, so I do not give a fucking how you feeling. Baby, cry me a river. Then I want your ass to build a boat, get some paddle, so at least you ain't swimming with the money.
Bam. The KYRIE 6 in the N7 colorway. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Did you cop? Are you going to cop now that you've seen this video? Let me know all that good stuff. Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I fell off. I reply, hell no. They put me in handcuffs. The same night I bailed out. I don't like jail, dog. I never do that again. I can't be giving away my freedom like that to the motherfucking pen. You don't give me the runaround. I need